Hello Mudgee Public School community. Here we are. It's a big day, week 6, term 4. John Carter's here with the principal video update. I've got some pirates here from KF with me. That's right, because it is Pirate Day here for kindergarten. I was in the year 6 rooms this morning and they were talking to me about their Pirate Day back when they were in kindergarten. They're just as excited as these kids, and we're going to ask them some questions shortly. But first of all, just wanted to give you all a quick update about all things Mudgee Public School coming up over the next week, or things that have been happening, and then we'll hear from some of these pirates, and people are still over there doing their work, which is fantastic. Big week next week for year 5. They're off to Broken Bay. I just wanted to wish you guys all the very, very best. I'm sure they're going to have a wonderful camp. A big thank you to the teachers that are taking time away from their families at this busy time of year, as well, to go on that excursion Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week. That's really exciting. It's also exciting for our environmental team next week, who are heading up to Cudgegong Valley Public School to have an Eco Schools celebration. So all the schools that have been doing, we've been on the Red Hills part of the environmental waste audit or waste pilot program, and doing lots of other great things with sustainability and the environment. So they're up there for a celebration next week, which is exciting as well. Today I don't have the information just yet, but I have mentioned it. Freddie Stevens is at the state final of the multicultural public speaking. So I don't have the news to report on how Freddie's gone today, but either way, we're super proud of Freddie, and I know that he's doing our school proud. Just a little reminder as well, mums and dads, that as the year starts drawing to an end, our PBL assembly is fast approaching, and it is time to make sure that you bring in all those PBL awards so that you can be considered for those for the end of year awards for your PBL. So whether you're up to medallions or pennants or whatever that may be, year 6 students that are applying for a Princeton medallion, they're due as well. So please start going through your awards. In the classrooms, there's still lots of wonderful learning happening at the moment, and at the moment we're focusing on, we've been focusing on learning dispositions in our school. For the first half of the term, we were focusing on what it looks like to be a persistent learner, and over the last couple of weeks in between now and the end of the year, we're looking at what it looks like to be a collaborative learner. And I saw a great video from this class, KF, doing a wonderful collaboration activity the other day. So if your children are talking to you at home about collaboration, maybe you could help by asking some questions about what an effective collaborative learner looks like. But this is helping with our mathematics as well as our learning in general. So I'm really proud of the work the school's doing. One thing to keep an eye out for before I ask these pirates how their day's going is also just make sure you keep an eye out on 2 things. Number 1, the calendar. Each week we're sending a calendar out with all the end of term events. They're all on there, as well as one other thing to keep an eye out for, soon to drop. Episode 3 of the Mudgee Public School podcast is coming soon. A really exciting podcast. It's around year 6 to 7 transitions and all the good things that happen for year 6. But it's got a very special guest on it too, in Kathy Brennan, Deputy Secretary of the Department of Education. So that's pretty exciting as well. But over here, I've got some pretty excited little people. I've got, what's your name?
Salty Bubbles.
Salty Bubbles. Fantastic. What's your pirate name?
Mr. Silly.
Miss Silly. Fantastic. And over here, Nixon. Or not Nixon. This isn't Nixon. What's your name?
Captain Blackbeard.
Captain Blackbeard. I like Captain Blackbeard. A good traditional pirate name, no doubt about that. And who have we got here?
Mayday Me Timbers.
Meaty me timbers. Have a go at them. Fantastic. And we're here with KF. They've had a wonderful morning of pirate activities. They're just about to go out for recess, and they've got their pirate-filled lunch boxes. They've been doing some pirate craft, but over the last couple of weeks, all of kindergarten have been doing a really engaging unit of work based around pirates, and it's just wonderful to see the engagement and the joy that they're all having. So can we all give Mudgee Public Community a big, their best pirate goodbye? Okay, what are we going to say?